So we're going to create a daily planner that actually takes all of our tasks and just shows us what we have to do today. So one weird thing that I would suggest is that you don't add your tasks each day in different tabs, but you actually keep them all in one tab. Here we have the date on the left side in the column A, we have a task, we have type and priority. Now, what you might be doing is adding a new tab every single day, but don't do that, because what we can do is just have two tabs, tasks and today, and use this today tab to automatically get whatever tasks we have today. So I will show you. I add a little bit of formatting, but today is equal to today, just the formula today. And that's going to show today's date. Now we want to show all of the tasks for today. We're going to use filter. And what are we going to filter? Our range is going to be all of the tasks on today, comma, the A column is equal to whatever today's date is. You can put B3 here, and actually I would recommend that instead of doing today, but you can put today if you want. But I like to do this, which is select the reference of B3 or whatever cell has today in, and let's end that parentheses and see. These are the two tasks we have today. And why did I say we want to possibly have this? Because we may want to change this date. So if we delete it, we have no task, but if we put in today's date, we can see all of the tasks, and we can change it to a little task picker. We can change it to today, and if this is automatically updated, perhaps we can see these automatically updated, or we can say filter if B3, if today, B3, wrap this with is blank, then if that's true, tasks A equals today. There, so now if I delete it, it's going to show me today, but if I put let's say tomorrow, it'll show me tomorrow's. Isn't that pretty cool? So we could set that up any way we want, but what about these other things? How do you get the type? How do you get the priority? Well, let's add a couple of columns here. Type, priority. Let's color it in a little bit and take our filter B to B and change it to B to D. And now automatically we have our type and our priority here. We can go view, show no grid lines, makes it look a little bit cleaner, make the date a little bit bigger, make the text a little bit bigger. And as we add new tasks, we don't have to be adding a new tab for every date we have. We have a nice today's plans here, and we can always put today. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.